Good day, students. I am your teacher for today. And today, we will be talking about another topic. And that will be the Egyptians' way of multiplication and division. In modern mathematics, you are already aware or you already know on how to multiply, and it is already easy for you to do that process or these two operations. But now in Egyptian, they have different way on multiplying and dividing numbers. So how? So I will give you an example on how do they multiply. So we have here 48 times 19. So how do they multiply these numbers? For example, so in Egyptians, they double the numbers and add the numbers which were doubled in order to achieve the portion of the problem. So how do they do that? So we have here the process. So 48 times 19. First column, we're going to put 1 in here. Then the equivalent for that is 19 because we're talking about 48 times 19. Second one, we're going to double 1. So what will be that? The answer will be 2. And this as well. So 19 plus 19 is 38. And we doubled again. So 2 plus 2, we have here 4. And on the other side, we doubled as well. So we have 76. 4 plus 4, we have here 8. 76 plus 76, we have here 152. 16, we have here 304 because 152 plus 152 is 304. And the last one is 16 plus 16 is 32. And 304 plus 304 is 608. So we need to stop in here. Why? Because if we double 32, the sum will be 64. And 64 is much more bigger compared to 48. So what should we do? In here, we need to look for numbers that will equate to 48. So the numbers will be, we have here 32 and 16. Why? Because 32 plus 16 is 48. 48. And in second column, we will look for the number that corresponds to this to the first column on the number that we choose. So in 32, we have here 600, 608, and in 16, we have 304. 304, and that will be 304, 12, 1, and that will be 912. Use your calculator now. So you have here 48 times 19, and the answer is 912. So it is correct. I will give you another example for you to be able to understand more about on how to multiply using Egyptian's method. So we have here, let's think for a number, 36 times 12. So again, we start with 1, and that will be 12. 2, that will be 24. 4, that will be 24 plus 24, 48. 48. And 8, we have here 8, 16, 96. And we have here 16, 96, 12, 8, 91, 92. And we have the last one is 32. 4, 18, 384. So again, we need to stop in 32 because if we're going to double it, that will be 64. And we only have here 36. Am I right? So again, we will look for a number that if we're going to add, the answer will be 36. So that will be 32 plus 4. 32 plus 4, we have that. We will arrive in 36. So the value, we have here 34, it is 384. And in 4, we have here 48. So 48. The answer will be 432. Again, use your calculator and check if it is correct. So 36 times 12 is equal to 432. So we are right. So we have here 36 times 12. The answer is 432. Now, since you already know on how to multiply numbers using Egyptians method, we will proceed to division. So, another example. We have here 1044 divided by 29. Here is the process. So again, we need to double the other numbers. So we will going to start with 1 again. So 1, 29. 2, we need to double the first number again. So we have here 2. So 29 plus 29, that will be 58. Then 4, we have here 116. 8, we have here 232. 16, we have here 464. And 32, we have here 928. So we need to stop again. Because if we're going to, since we're talking about division, we need to focus in here. We need to look for a number that will equate to 1044. We need to stop in here because if we're going to double 928, that will be more than 1044. Am I right? So we have here 928. We're looking for a number that will equate to 1044. That will be 116. 928 plus 116. The sum will be 1000. Wait a minute. 928 plus 116. 1044. It is correct. So in the first column, so we have here 928, we have here 32 plus 116 is 4. 32 plus 4 is 36. So that is the quotient of 1044 divided by 29. It is easy, right? So do you want another example on how to divide using Egyptians method? I will give you another example for that. So we have here 44 divided by 46. So again, 1 will be 46, 2, 46 plus 46, we have here 1, 92. 4, that will be 4, 184, and we have here 8, so that would be 8, 368. Do we need to stop in here? If we're going to add 368 plus 368, the sum will be much bigger than 644, right? So we need to stop in here. So again, we will look for a number that will come up with 64. So let's say we're going to use 368 plus 184 plus 92. Can we have 644 from these numbers? So let's try. 368 plus 184 plus 92. Yes, that is 64. So in the first column, in 368, so we have here 8, 184 plus 4, and in 92 we have here 2. The answer would be 14. So that's the quotient of 644 divided by 46. Just let's use the calculator to check it. 644 divided by 46. It's 14. So that's the end of my discussion. That's the way and how Egyptians do multiplication and division. And I hope you have learned a lot for today's lesson. And of course, remember that although this is just a simple way on how they do multiplication and division, it made a way for a great development in the field of mathematics. So thank you very much.